Do you want to learn how to rename a pet on Pet Simulator X on Roblox? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So when you're in the game, on the bottom, you're going to find this, the pets icon. Click on it. And now inside here, the second option is rename pet. So you need to click on it and then you need to select the pet that you want to rename. For example, I'll click on this first one and now it's going to give you this pop-up which says give your pet a nickname. So I can type in here something like this and done. And as you can see here that my pet has a nickname which is Base Ba. So I just selected that. You can just rename the other one as well. So I can just say like here, I can click on it and type in another name like that and just do done. And now if I hover on it, it's going to have that nickname on the pet. You can just change like that. Just click here, rename pet, and just select any of them and rename it. That's it. And here as well, in the game, you can see that the nickname has been changed of these pets. And that's it. This is how to rename a pet in Pet Simulator X on Roblox. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.